Hello. So this application will allow you to hide contacts in your point of sale. So what we can do is that we will begin with first giving the configuration rights to a particular company. So the contacts from particular company can only be hidden. So you have to first give the rights to the company. So for that we will go to settings, our companies, and here we have 3 companies. So let me go to a BrowseInfo company, and here you can see that give the option to hide all these contacts from BrowseInfo in point of sale. So I've enabled this option here. Now let's go to our contacts. Here if I go to this particular contact, under sales and purchase, we have to first make sure that the company over here is BrowseInfo. So if I add any other company, I won't be able to see the option over here to hide this contact in point of sale. So I will add BrowseInfo because we have given them the setting rights of not able to be visible in the point of sale. So once I add the company, a new field over here called hidden point of sale will be visible, and I will enable this. As soon as I enable this, a new tag will be also added to the contact, that is hiding point of sale. I will save this. Let's also add another contact. So you can see the company over here, it's BrowseInfo. So we have the option enabled, and I will hide this in point of sale. Now let's go to our point of sale and check how it looks. I will go to a new session. I will add a few products first. Here, if you remember, Azure Interior was the customer that we hide. So let me search that. You can see I'm not able to search this particular customer because we have hidden that particular customer in point of sale. Even bread and feed man is not visible because we hide him as well in the point of sale. But we have all the other contacts. So we also hide BrowseInfo as one of the contacts, so we're not able to see that particular contact as well in point of sale. So similarly, you can hide your contacts in point of sale which are not related to point of sale. You can only keep the contacts which are related to point of sale. Other contacts can be hidden easily with this application. So I hope this application was useful to you. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment section below, and I will get back to you with an answer. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Until then, thank you.